With Android 12, Google has introduced automatic theming, which is definitely one of my favorite feature, and what it does is, it basically changes everything depending on the color of your wallpaper, which means whenever you apply a brand new wallpaper, it automatically changes the accent color and the color of your app icons as well. But the problem is, it only applies to your system apps icon, so it will not work for other third-party applications you have installed on your phone, and it doesn't look good. Now finally Samsung was able to fix this issue. You can see on my Galaxy S22, all the app icons has got the same color, which looks really good. Previously, when you apply a new wallpaper and select this option that says apply palette to the app icons, it only works for system applications and not all the icons in your app drawer look similar. But finally we have got this amazing feature that allows you to customize and change the color for all the app icons. To do this, you will need to have the GoodLock application, and the module that I'm talking about is the theme park. So just head over to the Galaxy store and search GoodLock. Then you have to install the theme park module. Once done, simply select icon at the bottom and select create new. Here you can change the shape of your app icons. You can make it more rounded, or even you can give a teardrop shape to it. But the new feature which has been added is the icon color. This completely changes the color for all the app icons, both in your home screen as well as the app drawer. Let's say if I want to change it to blue, I just need to select the blue color and tap on OK. Now you have to install this theme by clicking on this save icon, and if you want, you can also give a name. It's gonna take some time to install the theme which you have just created. Once done, simply click on apply, and this will change the color for all the app icons you have on your phone. It looks more uniform. Everything matches perfectly with the wallpaper you have applied on your home screen. So instead of using the color palette option that you get when you apply a brand new wallpaper, you can simply open the theme park module and color all your app icons according to the wallpaper. Guys, the next video will be on the home screen customization, where I will be showing you how to customize your Samsung device like a pro. So stay tuned for that. And that's it for this video. This is how you can customize and change the look of your app icons. Just go ahead and update your theme park module, and then you will get this amazing feature on your phone. If you guys liked this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android, and I will see you guys in the next one.